The other day we flew and we landed in a farmer's field who invited us in for tea and biscuits. That doesn't happen in Albuquerque.
With an aeroplane, of course, you've got an automatic pilot, you've got a big aeroplane, you can actually get it from A to B. With a balloon, I'm not actually sure where I'm going to land. I might have an idea, but I always tell my passengers, I know where I'm taking off, but we don't know where we're going to land. That is amazing.
Engine ignition. Lift off.
If you don't represent women in politics,